Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share a My Creative Time design team project with you, and hopefully you like it because I love how it turned out. I will also have a tutorial at the end, so if you want to see how I created this little box, stick around. Anyway, so let me show it to you. So check that out. I went with the Halloween theme, and there goes the little tag that I have on there. This little box holds, right now I have 6 of the little sweet tarts in there. And this box also holds, of course, the 3x3 card as well. So you could just pop that right down in there, gift it to a friend, or whatever little goodies. You can put embellishments in there. You can even use one of her little tags if you want to go with the Christmas tag. You could even pop something like that in there, make a set of tags and send it off to somebody, or whatever you'd like to put in this little box. It is just the cutest, and I made it with the coordinating little 3x3 card. I didn't know how to finish off the inside, but I will, and I can be able to gift that to a friend. I love how this turned out. Let me show you some of the things I used to create this little gift card or gift box. So I used this, which was her 3x3 envelope die, and if I don't have the right name, I'll have it go across the screen so that you can see it. But you need this die set here. I also used this set here, which is a bunch of fun circles, just to cut out this little Halloween character there. So that's what I used there. I use these Assorted Mini Tags for that tag die there. I also use the Wicked Night stamp set, and I used the October 31st there. It was just perfect to fit on that little tag. What else did I use? Oh, and I used this paper here. So I used this one. I used that paper there, and I believe that's it. So anyways, check out this one more time, and then I'm going to show you what how I made it. It's just so cute, and it was so simple, so easy. So you can just take any sheet of paper that you like and just pop it right down. This is her 6x6 paper pack here. You can just pop it right down on top of there, and it'll cut off that much if you want to use a 6x6. Otherwise, if you want to use a whole sheet of paper, it's going to come out looking like this. But like I said, I used 6x6 paper. And then what I did here, I cut off most of this, and I left about 3/4 of an inch. So you're going to cut that off right about there. So, which brings you to this point here. I have these already cut out. Now, if you have directional paper, make sure you have it going the same way so that it won't be in the opposite direction of what you're wanting to make. So make sure that's the right way. All right, I already got the tape there for you, so you can see that. And this is, like I said, about 3/4 of an inch there. We're going to pull this off. Sorry if I'm out of screen. So you're going to take both of these ends, because you need to cut that out twice, and you're just going to line that up as best as you can. Don't go over the scoring line, because you're going to need that. And I did score these ahead of time. And I just scored this part very little, so I just bent it down just like that. Very little. And then just pull off these. I did one side at a time. And you're just going to bring this up. And when I say it's just the simplest thing, it fits together so perfectly. Just pop that on there. You can use your bone folder if you'd like to just go right in between there. Make sure that's down. Take off the other side. Give me 1 second. And put that down. Make sure that the flaps are going the same way too, because you want it to look nice and neat. And there it goes. And I just I punched a hole at the top, put an eyelet in there, and that's where you can put your ribbon or whatever you like in there. And then decorate it just how you want. It is just the simplest thing. Like I said, you can put just about anything. Chapstick in there if you want, maybe a few of them. And let me show you that card fits in here. This is the 3x3 card, and it's a 3x3 envelope. And of course, it's gonna fit perfectly in there. Fits perfect. So you can even send 3x3s in there if you like. But I love how that turned out. So I hope you give it a try. If so, let me know that you tried out this die and that you turned it into a little gift box. And you can definitely send Halloween treats in there for family, friends, crafty buddies, whoever. Well, that's all I have for you. Make sure you check out the picture at the end. Check out all those products down below and go over and get you some of these goodies. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.